A for apple. B for bear. C for cat. D for dolphin. E for egg and elephant. F for fish. Z for giraffe and guitar. H for hat. I for ink pot. J for joker. K for kettle. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for notebook. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for quiz. R for ring. S for sun. T for train. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for wheel. X for Xmas tree. Y for yo-yo and Z for zebra.